In the previous video, you met 4 fat-burning drinks: cucumber and coriander smoothie, chia seeds tea, zucchini, cucumber, and sour apple smoothie, green tea. In this video, you will learn about 4 other fat-burning drinks. So, let's quickly go to today's drinks. Hi guys, welcome to the health tips and tricks. Apple cider vinegar, strawberry, and blueberry smoothie. A group conducted a 12-week study in which several people were given 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar daily. And of course, these people had their normal lifestyle and normal diet food. The result obtained from this research showed rapid weight loss, reduction in body fat percentage, reduction in meat body size, and reduction in triglycerides. Another reason apple cider vinegar is effective in weight loss is its effect on making people feel full. Strawberries are great for weight loss because they help reduce the hormones adiponectin and leptin. These 2 hormones are fat burners and body metabolism enhancers. This fruit is rich in fiber that helps control blood sugar, reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases, improve bowel function, and control weight. Benefits of blueberries: low calorie, high fiber, the long-lasting feeling of satiety, rich in vitamin C, rich in antioxidants, blueberry and slimming, cholesterol reduction, decreased blood sugar, improve the digestive system, increase body metabolism. Pineapple and grape smoothie. Pineapple is a source of enzymes that help digestion. Improved digestion can regulate appetite, which in turn contributes to weight loss. Pineapple is also a source of fiber and makes you feel full. Grapes have a significant amount of fiber. Fiber makes you feel full and helps improve digestion. Grapes are a fruit with 79% water, 14% various sugars and minerals, and vitamins A, B, C, and D. Grapes contain significant amounts of elements such as iron, magnesium, manganese, chlorine, iodine, arsenic, phosphorus, and silica. There is also a significant amount of tannin in grapes. In a study, it was found that cinnamon increases heat production in the body by 20%, which helps burn more calories. Cinnamon also helps reduce appetite and food cravings and control the consumption of unhealthy foods. You can learn more about the properties of cinnamon in the video on losing weight with cinnamon. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified about new videos. Flaxseed tea. There is a lot of omega-3 and fiber in flaxseed, and it helps a person to reduce body weight and ultimately maintain her appearance. Apart from this, there is also a large amount of polyphenol antioxidants in flaxseed, which ultimately increases the metabolism of the body. The reason why flaxseed is included in the list of the best fat-burning foods is the presence of useful fatty acids in it, which help to increase the body's metabolism and lead to detoxification in the body. Also, flaxseed is a rich source of nutrients such as magnesium, vitamin B1, and alpha-linolenic fatty acid. Pine seeds tea. Pine seed is an edible seed obtained from the pine tree. These seeds are one of the best burner foods. Pine seeds are rich in phytonutrients that keep you full and suppress hunger. That is why, by taking it, you no longer need to use any of the chemical diet pills, which are produced for this purpose. These seeds also contain a lot of iron and magnesium, which increase energy in your body and help you lose weight. Also, pine seeds contain protein, fiber, unsaturated fatty acids, and other nutrients such as vitamin E, vitamin K, copper, and manganese. I also explained about the properties of green tea in the previous section, which you can see the link at the top of the page. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified about new videos. If you have any questions or comments, I will be happy if you leave me a comment.